update about my pet Krishna. He seems to be very active today. We removed the needle yesterday. He ate a little bit of his favorite coconut, some cheese and his tomatoes, and he's drinking a lot of electrolyte water. I hope he'll be getting better in the coming few days. Thank you so much for your love and care. As a part of this 21-day Pranic Food series, today I'm making a recipe from Sadhguru's book, Taste of Wellbeing. It's called Sodhi. Sodhi is a mix of vegetables which is prepared in Tirunelveli. It is a town in South India. It's very famous over there and it's served during the weddings. So since this is a pranic method, we are not adding any garlic or onion in this, but we are adding a lot of vegetables and we have prepared it with coconut oil. It tastes so flavorful, and let's see how to make this sodhi today.
Okay, let's get started. Let's see what we need to prepare sodhi. We need a little bit of cauliflowers, some potatoes, green peas, carrots, drumsticks, green beans and chayote squash. So all of these vegetables we have cut into small cubes and we have cleaned them very well, and we are going to boil them in water for about 6 to 7 minutes. So you are dropping all the vegetables in hot boiling water. Let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes and then let's see what to do. Now I have taken pieces from a full coconut and adding enough water and grinding them in a mixie. Then we'll be extracting the coconut milk by straining them. So this is the first extract. The first extract will be very thick. So this extract we'll add in the last stage of the sodhi. Now we are adding some more water and grinding in the mixture and taking the second extract. So this is quite thin. We'll be cooking the sodhi in this coconut water. So once we extract it, let us add it to the vegetables. Let it cook for a few more minutes. Now we are adding salt and we are adding 2 chopped tomatoes and a little bit of grated ginger as well. It's cooking really well. Now let's add a little bit of turmeric powder, some red chili powder, some garam masala and coriander powder. So these are all the powders that we need for preparing sodhi. So once it is boiling well and the raw smell of the powders go away, we'll pour the first extract of the coconut milk. Now let the sodhi boil for a few more minutes and let's turn off the stove. Let's add in some few sprigs of curry leaves as well, and we are going to be tempering the sodhi with coconut oil. So we are adding some mustard seeds to hot coconut oil, and once it crackles, we are pouring it on top of the sodhi. Sodhi is now ready. We can smell the coconut and the aroma of the coconut oil. It's so refreshing. Please do try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. My namaskarams to everyone.